Before adding any of the EyeLink plugin components, it's important to ensure that the experiment has been configured optimally. First, open the experiment settings. In the Basic tab, the Enable Escape Key property should be unchecked. The escape key is sometimes used during eye tracker calibration, validation, and drift checks, so it's important to uncheck this property to ensure pressing escape will not also end the experimental run. To retain the ability to end an experimental run early, you can enable the Allow Control-C Quit key to be used property of the Mark Events components to ensure the Control-C key combination can be used to end an experimental run early. Using this Control-C Quit method also makes the script properly retrieve the EDF or EyeLink data file from the host PC and shut down the connection to the host PC, which the Escape Key Quit method will not do. In the Eye Tracking tab, Eye Tracker Device property should be set to None. The EyeLink plugin will handle all Eye Tracker integration, so the built-in eye tracker options included with PsychoPy should not be used. In the Audio tab, the Audio Library property should be set to PTB, or Psych Toolbox. This audio library is strongly recommended by the PsychoPy developers and is also best for use in EyeLink experiments.